If you want to use Pro Mode in camera on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is go to the camera. Once you open the camera, let's say we are now in the photo mode, we can tap on this button in the bottom right corner where we have the sliders icon. And now over here we can find the night sight, shadows, exposure, white balance, focus, shutter speed, and ISO. So the standard parameters that we usually have in the Pro mode on the different smartphones. Over here at the top we also have some additional information about the focus, the shutter speed, ISO, and the the lens, I guess. And we can adjust these parameters manually by moving left and right on these sliders. You can reset this specific parameter by tapping on this button on the right side. And you can also reset everything over here by tapping on Reset All. If you need a description of these features, of these parameters, most of them, actually these three of them, the ISO, shutter speed, and focus, have this question mark in the top right corner, so you can tap on it in order to find more information about what it does and how it works. And that is pretty much it. Now let's also check if we can find these options in different modes. And in this case, as you can see, the ISO, for example, and shutter speed is not available. So I guess the best way to use the Pro mode is by using the photo mode over here in the camera. We also have Pro section over here, but here we can just switch the resolution to 50 megapixels. We can also enable the RAW format, and we also have lens selection, which can be set to manual actually. And over here we can change the lens, of course. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.